from Romania, but I live in Austria.
But how did you learn that good? Speaking of Tagalog.
I learned Tagalog.
Do you have ex-girlfriend? Like,
Hindi ayos.
do you have...
Oh my god, if you have boyfriend, I think your boyfriend died.
We don't have boyfriend.
Okay, if you have, I said. Listen, you listen, not only you talking.
Okay. We just listen, okay. Wait. I just tell you that anyone speak us with your... Oh my god. What did you do? Okay, continue.
Okay. Now, for 5 years,
Okay.
I use Google on my TV, and I'm bored than my people in my country. Like talking is gago, is bobo. And I don't, in that time I don't speak English. Also now I don't speak English very, very well. But, and in that time I learned English and Tagalog sometimes with Google Translate and talking with people Pinoy.
But this is good, speaking of Tagalog. Oh! Slay. Can you speak Australia? Can I hear you speaking Australia? Like, can you say Australia? Can you say, I love you in Australia?
You finish school? Wait. You finish
Okay,
school?
yeah.
You finish school? No,
What?
I'm asking you, you finish school? You finish school?
Yeah, I am, but they are still in senior high.
Okay. You come back again at school and you going and you learn geography because Austria is in Europe and Australia is in Australia, New Papua, New Zealand, Sydney, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Not Australia, like Austria, Austria country. Austria, Germany, Italy, Switzerland, Hungary.
Is it all part of Europe? Like,
Yes.
oh. So when you say Australia, do you speak any other language?
In Austria, wait. In Austria, people speak Deutsch. Deutsch, I mean, people